Watercolors color maintenance and enhancement shampoos are the only shampoos of their kind in the professional industry. Created to help maintain color-treated hair between salon visits, your clients can maintain or enhance their colored hair with one of our 14 customized watercolor shades. These sulfate-free shampoos work on color-treated hair by depositing a little bit of color onto the hair. Nicole, who has some level 10 blonde highlights, is being shampooed with Watercolors Violet Wash to liven up her now 4-week-old highlights that are getting a bit drab and dull. Violet Wash will add that sparkle back into her color. Let's take a look at some specific shades of watercolors and what they can do to refresh or enhance an individual's hair color. Scarlett's hair was colored about 3 weeks ago, and this is her hair before refreshing her color. She uses a custom watercolors cocktail of equal amounts of Fluid Fire and Crimson Splash to pump up her color. After just 3 shampoos, her hair is back to its fiery 6RR shade. Karen has some red brassy tones that she's not happy with and wants to deepen her color to more of a dark chocolate. After shampooing 3 times with Watercolors Mocha Drench, her color has blended to include rich, deep browns while filtering out the unwanted red tones. Our final model, Katie, wants to take her normally golden blonde locks and experiment with her color by infusing it with strawberry blonde tones. With 5 shampoos of Watercolors Warm Spice, Katie was able to achieve those soft red golden hues while adding some butterscotch tones as well. Just trying to reduce fade and protect the color you have? Watercolors Clear Color Extending Shampoo protects color molecules from free radicals and UV damage. The Clear shampoo is the perfect alternate to your specific watercolor shade. In the hands of professional colorists, watercolors can be a valuable corrective color tool. Fill and neutralize unwanted warmth or cool tones right at the shampoo bowl. Violet Wash, Wet Sand, and Hazelnut shades are 3 great examples of the corrective power of these shampoos.